Hello little artists! Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Hello kids! Today we learn fish drawing. At first, we tried to draw a curve. This is the body part of fish. And we draw fish tail. Next we draw a line middle to it. And draw some fish fins. Fish are underwater animals that live in water. They breathe using gills, not lungs. Fish have fins that help them swim. Many different kinds of fish live in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Fish can be big or small, like whales or clownfish. Some fish are colorful and have scales. Fish eat small plants and animals or other fish. Fish lay eggs in the water. Fish can be found in warm and cold water. Fish are important for our food and the ecosystem. Some fish, like sharks, have teeth. Yellow color. Fish can swim very fast. A school of fish is a group of fish swimming together. Green color. Some fish are poisonous and should not be eaten. Humans have caught and eaten fish for thousands of years. Orange color. Fish are an important part of the ocean and the food chain. Red color. Many fish have special senses like taste and smell. Fish can live for many years, some even hundreds. Green color. There are many different species of fish in the world. Blue color. Fish are fascinating animals that live in many different environments. Pink color. Blue color. Green color. Purple color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.